Hi, for today's video I want to give you an overview of the search functions in OpenCRM. At the very top of the screen you have the Global Search panel. You can access Global Search either by using the mouse or by using the keyboard shortcut Control and the letter G. Put in your search term and click Enter to return matching search results in these key modules. Here are some useful examples of how you can use Global Search. You can search on partial entries, for example searching on a person's first name and part of their company name. Returns the results you're looking for without you needing to remember the full names. Secondly, if you're using both leads and contacts within your system, there may be instances where you can't remember if you've converted someone. Use Global Search and put in the name of the person you're searching for. And here we can see she's located in the Leads module. Moving into the modules themselves, and at the top of each list view you have the keyword search, which will return results from key fields. For example, searching for Wilson Joe again. Returns the results that you would expect. To search in specific fields, click on the plus symbol to the right of the search panel to open the basic search, and for even more options, click on the arrow to display the advanced search options. To narrow the search parameters even further, if you are looking at a list of records within a view, enter your search term and hit Enter rather than Search All. This will only search records from within that view rather than your whole database. Thank you for watching.